Hello, wanderers! Today, we explore the realm of travel essentials you simply cannot do without. Now, why is preparation vital, you ask? Well, let's think about it. The foundation of any successful journey lies in thorough planning. When you strategically plan and pack, you ensure your journey unfolds smoothly. You're secured against unforeseen circumstances, needless complications are dodged, and what you get is a comfortable, seamless exploration of your desired destination. Remember, not just packing, but packing with foresight and thoughtfulness plays a central role in gearing up for travel. Let's delve deeper into the significance of carrying essential documents. An updated passport, valid visa, and appropriate ID proofs are your tickets to unhindered travel. Moreover, security is paramount. Travel insurance is one such umbrella that shelters you from potential financial downpours during your voyage. A step further into the digital era, backing up your documents digitally can be a real lifesaver. Such precautionary measures ensure your journey is smooth, relieving you from unnecessary stress while crossing borders or dealing with unexpected issues. Ensuring good health during travel is paramount. Packing a basic health kit with necessary prescriptions, antiseptic creams, sunscreens, and other must-haves is a non-negotiable part of any travel plan. Amidst the thrill of exploration, we cannot ignore the likelihood of facing common travel-related illnesses. Preventive measures such as vaccinations, adhering to dietary precautions, and staying hydrated, to name a few, can fundamentally reduce the chances of falling sick. Remember, preserving your well-being empowers you to enjoy your journey to its fullest. In this digital age, our gadgets are our trusted travel companions. They capture priceless memories, navigate unfamiliar routes, and keep us connected with our loved ones. Essential devices like smartphones, cameras, chargers, power banks, and travel adapters are the lifeblood of any modern journey. Imagine not having your phone charged at a critical moment, or not being able to plug your device in because the sockets are different. These aren't issues you want to tackle on the go. Always ensure you're equipped with the right electronic gear for a hassle-free journey. In today's digitalized world, mobile apps are a traveler's best friend. From comprehensive maps guiding your every turn, to ride-hailing apps making commutes simpler, apps have revolutionized the way we travel. Looking for a cozy place to stay, or a delightful local eatery, accommodation, and reviewing apps have got you covered. Language barriers have been made a thing of the past with translation apps. Managing expenses while traveling? There's a budgeting app available to help. Hence, familiarize yourself with these essential apps to simplify your exploration journey. To wrap up, planning efficiently and packing wisely significantly contributes to a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. From essential documents to health, gadgets, and helpful mobile apps, each element plays a role in paving the way for an unforgettable journey. A big thanks to all of you for joining us in this venture. If you found this video useful, do hit the like button, share it with your fellow travelers, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks for your future travel adventures.